Hello friends, welcome to our channel Maths in Simple. This is our second day class. In first class we have deal with a trigonometric introduction. Now in second class we are going to deal with trigonometric ratio. What are trigonometric ratio? Trigonometric ratios are nothing but ratios of sides of triangle. So this trigonometric ratio means it will be ratio of sides of triangle. Ratio, what is ratio? Ratio means if opposite number is there like this 2 by 3. So we say this 2 and 3 are in ratio. This by will come means 2 and 3 are in ratio, like that. Trigonometric ratios are ratios of sides. So here one side will be there. Here also one side will be there. Trigonometric ratios are ratios of sides of triangle. Here sides will be there of one triangle. Here also side of that same triangle. So here and here sides are coming and they are in ratio. Next, generally there are three types of ratios. Basic trigonometric ratios are of how many types? Three types. First one is SIN, sin we can write, or SIN, sin we can write. Both are correct. Second one is cosine or cos also we can say. Third one is tangent or tan. So these three are basic trigonometric ratio. We can write sine or sine, pronunciation same. Cosine or cos. Third one is tangent or tan. In books he will give tangent means you should not confuse, it is nothing but tan only. Cosine means cos only, short form is cos. Sine we can write like that or sine. Generally we use like this only. Sine, cos, tan. These are three basic trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now we will rub it. Now reverse of them are other ratios. What we have seen previously, three basic trigonometric ratio we have seen, that is cos, sine, cos and tan. Three we have seen, and the reverse are other ratios. Sine reverse is cosecant, cos reverse is secant, tan reverse is cot. Reverse means what? 2 by 3 is there. So reverse of 2 by 3 is what? 3 by 2. So sine reverse will become cosecant, cos reverse will become secant, tan reverse will become cot. These three are not now, they are in further classes. There I will explain you detailedly. Just for your information now I have gave. These are reverse. Sine reverse is cosecant, cos reverse is secant, tan reverse is cot. In further classes detailedly I will explain about them. Don't worry. Now let's define ratios in a right angle triangle. So now what we are doing? We are defining ratios in right angle triangle. Here what he gave? He gave one triangle. First of all, see, this is a right angle triangle. Yes. Here box like structure is there, means what is that? It is 90 degree. So this is a right angle triangle. Why? Because one angle in a triangle is 90, means what I said? It is a right angle triangle. Next, sin A. First ratio we are dealing. What is first ratio? Trigonometric ratio. Sine. So sine we are taking A as angle. Sine A. What angle we are taking? That we should put here, place here. Sine A. So we are taking angle A with respect to A. We are defining this sine A. What is sine A? Equal to length of opposite side to angle A. Length of opposite side. What is length of opposite side to whom? Angle A. This is BC is opposite side by length of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the water which is opposite to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So this side is hypotenuse. So in short we can write sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is sin A? Sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. In simple, we should remember these are formulas. What is sin A? Means opposite side by hypotenuse. You should remember that. First trigonometric ratio is sin A. What is sin A formula? Sin A equal to opposite sides by hypotenuse. So what is opposite side? For which angle we are seeing here? A. So for angle A we are seeing. So what is opposite side for angle A? BC. So BC is opposite side by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? What I said hypotenuse means which is opposite to 90 degrees. So this which side is opposite to 90? This one, AC. So AC we wrote. Next. Second, what is second trigonometric ratio? Yes, cos A. What I said cos A is second trigonometric ratio. So what is the formula for it? Length of adjacent side to angle A by length of hypotenuse. In short, we can write that formula as adjacent side by hypotenuse. So always remember what is cos A? Cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is the formula. Cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? For what angle we are seeing? For angle A we are seeing. So for angle A, what is hypotenuse? What is adjacent side? Adjacent side means what I said, nearer side. This is the nearer side. So AB we wrote. This by here. What is hypotenuse? It is always opposite to 90 degree. So here 90 degree is there. This box represent 90, no? Opposite is this one. So this is hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. Next, third trigonometric ratio what? What is the third trigonometric ratio? Yes, it is tan A. What is tan A? Tan A equal to length of opposite side to angle A by length of adjacent side to angle A. So what is the formula for tan A? It is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side. Simple formula, tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side for it with respect to A? What is with respect to A we are seeing? Where is A? Here. A is here. So what is opposite side? This one. BC is opposite side. Next, what is adjacent side? By we are putting what is adjacent side for angle A? This one, AB. So we are writing AB. Hope you have understood. I think how many types of trigonometric ratios are there? 3 types. First is, what is first? Say what is first? First is sin A. What is sin A? Sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Second is cos A. What is cos A? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Third is tan A. What is tan A? Opposite side by adjacent side. These 3 formulas you should remember to solve problems. Okay. Now we will see one exercise problem. This is exercise 11.1, page number 281. In your textbook it is of SSC Max Telangana. What he is given in right angle triangle ABC. So he is giving one right angle triangle. That triangle name is ABC. 8 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 17 centimeter are the lengths of AB and BC and CA respectively. So what he is saying, these are the length. AB length is 8 centimeter he gave. BC length is 15 centimeter. CA equal to 17. Then find sin A, cos A and tan A. First of all, we will write what he gave. Given AB equal to, how much he gave AB? 8 centimeter. So we wrote AB equal to 8 centimeter. Next, BC equal to how much he gave? 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter. Next, CA how much he gave? 17 centimeter. Next, then find sin A, cos A and tan A. Required to find what we are writing, we should require to find what we have to find sin A, cos A and tan A. That's we are writing here once again. Okay. Next. So what we have to find first is sin A. So what is the formula of sin A? Sin A equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So first of all, what we should do, we should draw for this, for any trigonometric formulas. First of all, we should draw a rough figure. See here, I am drawing this. What he gave AB. So this one AB, we should draw like this AB. One line I have drawn AB, and here I have placed A and here B, and 8 centimeter I am writing. Next, what he gave BC. How much he gave? 15 centimeter. So I am writing, drawing this line B to C as B here, C here. How much he gave? 15 centimeter. To 15 I am writing. Next, CA. Where is C? C is here and A is here. So drawing from here. How much he gave? 17 centimeter. Okay, we have drawn. First, we should draw like that. So what I am doing? In this figure, I am taking here as right angle triangle. This straight line is there, no? That is, straight line will be always, it is representing right angle triangle. So this is a box like structure is there, it is a right angle triangle. And this is one angle, and this is one angle, and here 17 centimeter he gave, we wrote. So what is sin A formula? Opposite sides of angle A by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? For what angle we are seeing? A. For angle A we are seeing. For angle A, what is opposite side? This one, BC. So we wrote BC. By how much? What is the hypotenuse for A? This one, which is opposite to 90 degrees. So AC. So AC we are writing. How much we wrote? AC how much he gave? 17. So we wrote 17. We got. Next. Cos A. What is cos A formula? Adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. Cos A formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side for angle A? Adjacent side for angle A is AB. Adjacent means nearer side. For angle A, which is nearer, this one, AB. So AB by, what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is opposite to 90 degree. This one, AC is hypotenuse. So AC we wrote equal to AB. How much he gave? 8. So 8 we wrote. AC how much he gave? 17 centimeter. Next, what we have to find? Tan A. What is tan A? We know the formula of tan. You know what is tan A? Tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So what is the adjacent side with respect to angle A? Where is angle A here? For angle A we are seeing, no? So where is angle A? Here. What is opposite side? This one, B, C. BC is opposite side. So we are taking BC by adjacent side. What is adjacent side for angle A? Adjacent side for angle A is AB. So we are writing AB equal to how much? BC how much he gave? 15 centimeter. So we are writing here 15 by how much is AB? 8 centimeter. So we wrote 8. Okay, now we have find out sin A, cos A and tan A. 3 we have find out. Our problem is over. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubts, please comment in comment box, and don't forget to like and share my video. Thank you.